Hello everyone and welcome in today's video where I'll be teaching you about functions with parameters. As you know, in the last tutorial I covered up what are functions, how to declare a function, how to prototype it, and how to call it back in our main function so the compiler can read it. Now in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you about functions with parameters. So what are basically parameters and why do we need them? For example, we want to make a function which allows the user to print their birth year. So what we're going to do, we're going to declare a function, so void print birth year. Exactly. Let's add parentheses and curly brackets. So between these parentheses, we need to add a variable with a data type int and name it birth year. So in order to print the user's birth year, we need to allow them to enter their birth year and display a message containing you are born in, for example, 2007, whatever year the user puts in. So to do that, we need to write in the curly brackets or in the body of the function, cout you are born in birth year. Perfect. So as you know, now we need to prototype our function so when we call it, the compiler can read it. So let's go up here and just type void print birth year. So if you're wondering, do we need to prototype the parameter when we prototype the function up here between the parentheses? Well, the answer is yes, because in the main function, we will allow the user to write his birth year. So if we don't have it included when we are prototyping it, when the compiler will read this part, it will say, this guy wants to allow the user to put in a birth year, but where is that in this function prototype? Where should I put the value? In which memory address should I put the value? It is confused. So let's type int birth year. Perfect. So what we need to do now is just call it back here by just writing print birth year. Add parentheses, and between these parentheses, we can add our birth year. So that can be 2001. And when we run this code, we see you are born in 2001. Perfect. So to have another overview, today I taught you guys about parameters. So parameters are used if you need a certain information to make a function and to pass it down to other functions. You put it between the parentheses and we called it parameters. So when we prototype our function, we also put the parameters. So when the computer reads the function, which we call back in our main function, it knows that we want to store the value in this variable's memory address. So thank you a lot for watching this video and stay tuned for more. See ya.